In this video, I'm going to show you how to make text transparent in CapCut on PC. So the first thing you want to do is add in a black background, and the way you do this is by going to Media up here and then click on Library, and then over here you can see the black video. What you do, you just simply drag it in your timeline, and now if you want to adjust the length of this black clip, you can go up here to where it says speed, and you can play around with the speed. As you can see, I now just shortened it and I lengthened it right now, so I'm going to leave it at that. Now what you want to do next is get in some text you'd like to make transparent. So the way you do this is going up here to text, selecting default over here, and then dragging it on top. Now in case this doesn't work for you, you first have to click on it so it downloads and installs your text, and then drag it down here. And then once that's done, you can play around with the text however you'd like. So you can zoom it in and then change the font. For me, I'm going to use steady font and type in hello. And then you can adjust the size like this. You can use the style, either bold, underline, or italic. And you can also play with the colors, the case, and stuff like that as much as you'd like. And now once that's done, the next thing to do is hold down your Ctrl key on your keyboard and select both the text and the black background, and then right click on it, click on create compound clip, and then once that's done, you have to get in some background where you would like your transparent text to be on. In my case, I'm going to go under media and use this firework background over here, some stock footage. You have to import it in and then put the background, so black background with text, over, so above the clip. And now once that's done, you simply select the clip with the text on it, go under the blend over here, so under the video, basic, and blend, click on darken over here, and as you can see, the text is now transparent. Now you can also play around with the opacity as much as you'd like, and as you can see, the text is transparent, and it's a cool little trick you can use to play around with your fonts and your text however you like. So if this video was helpful to you, make sure to subscribe to the channel.